Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we had discussed about the chapter Our Religion Islam, which is given on page number 13 in your book. Islam comes from the word salam, which means peace. Islam is a religion which teaches us positivity, concern, peace, well-being of others along with behaving in a good manner. Allah the Almighty has guided us on how to lead a righteous life so that we can be successful in this life and in the hereafter as well. What does Islam teach us? Islam teaches us we must worship only Allah, which is also known as Tawheed. We should act on the teachings of Allah the Almighty and our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We must respect our parents, look after them and serve them. We should speak to them with respect. When we make a promise to someone, we must fulfill it. We should respect our elders. We should help and support our brothers, sisters, friends, relatives and neighbors. We must respect our teachers and obey them. We should be kind to everyone. We should be honest and trustworthy. We should always speak the truth. We should not hurt others in any way. We should keep ourselves clean as well. Islam teaches us good behavior and to spread peace. It teaches us to be concerned for others as well. Islam is an excellent religion because no other religion is like it. Islam means to obey Allah. Those who believe sincerely in the one Allah and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as his messenger, they are known as Muslims. Okay, so what is a pillar? A pillar is a tall, solid structure of stone, brick or any other material which is used to support the building. Okay, as you can see in this picture, there are 6 pillars and they are used to support the building. The structure of Islam stands on 5 pillars. Just like no building can stand without its pillars, similarly Islam is also incomplete without believing and acting upon these 5 pillars. So these are the 5 pillars of Islam. The first pillar is Kalma Tayyab. The second pillar is prayer Salah. The third pillar is fasting Saum. The fourth pillar is Zakat. And the fifth pillar is Hajj. Then we did the fill in the blanks in the book in class. Number 1 is there are dash pillars of Islam. There are 5 pillars of Islam. Number 2 is Islam is an dash religion, excellent religion. Number 3 is when we make a dash to someone, we must fulfill it. When we make a promise to someone, we must fulfill it. Now for your homework, you have to make the title page of the chapter Our Religion Islam, and then you also have to do this activity, which is with the help of your parents and teachers, write down any 2 good deeds which Allah the Almighty orders us to do. Okay, so you have to do this activity in the notebook. That is all for today. Thank you and Jazakallah.